What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. Today we are balancing the tires with some of this. Let's put it on the wheel. It's called liquid tire balance. So this is going to do the exact same thing that beads or equal beads do in the tire, but it's actually liquid, so it doesn't clump up and stick together and make your wheels all wobbly and whatnot. So instead of the actual wheel weights that stick on to like right here, or maybe on the outside or on the inside of the wheel, we are going to run this inside the wheel and tire so you can't see how it's actually balanced, because I don't want to see any stick-on wheel weights, anything like that. We got to have these wheels looking as fly as possible. So the first step is to take out the valve core, which we got to find right here. So we got a tool to take out the valve core. It's going to drain all the air out, and then got this like rubber tubing stuff, and then this cap thing goes on top, and we're just going to pour a bottle in there and it should be balanced. Hopefully it's balanced, because if it's not, we're screwed and I got to take the liquid back out and get them balanced by a shop. But this is what actual semi trucks use if they don't use equal beads. A lot of times they just put this in the steer tires, but I want them on all four just because I want this thing riding smooth down the road. But let's get started. Got this handy dandy Mac Tools thing that pulls out valve cores. It's probably a $100 tool. Alright, we got the whole setup, and we are going to try to put this on the valve stem and then squeeze this bottle into the tire. Let's see what happens. All right, let's do the other three. We'll take it down the road and make sure it rides smooth. All right, got to put the valve cores back in. They are tiny, super annoying because you have to get them in the right spot. And these valve stems are on the inside of the wheels because, well, you can actually run these wheels inside or out, it doesn't matter, but I didn't want the valve stems on the outside because I think it would just not look very good. So I put them on the inside, and now I'm really paying for it because I got to mess with them. Alright, we got all four tires filled with liquid. Now the wheels should be balanced. We're going to take it on a drive just to make sure, which I'll put in the video right here. Yo! So, hopefully you guys can see this. So with the liquid tire balance, at first I put 8 ounces in each wheel, and it still kind of like wobbled a little bit, like they were unbalanced. And then I drove around for like a week, and then I made this video, so that was actually putting 8 more ounces of tire balance in, so now there's 16 ounces total. And this thing drives like smooth as an arrow. Is that even a thing? Smooth as an arrow? No, that's straight as an arrow. Smooth as, I don't even know. I mean, this is definitely as smooth as it's going to get with a 22x14 10 lug wheel. I mean, this is like, it's a big difference. So I would definitely trust that stuff. Liquid tire balance for sure in any of my like bigger off-road wheels and tires, anything like that you were going to drive on the road. Smaller wheels and tires, I wouldn't recommend it. Just get it balanced by a tire shop because it's going to be way better, way more effective. But something big like this, I would definitely recommend this over the Equal beads, just because it's not going to clump up or anything like that. It's a liquid. It's actually not going to freeze either. It's made with like similar stuff as coolant, so it's not going to freeze in the winter, obviously. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this. This is nice, dude. This is awesome. I'm super excited about this. It drove kind of weird on the highway, but now it's just like so smooth, man. 60, 70 miles an hour. It is like perfect. But stay tuned to Nasty Nate. Make sure you subscribe down in the bottom corner. Thanks for stopping in today, and we'll see you in the next one.